let's make vision board for the very first time together. Now, why vision boards? Vision boards are basically your goals, your dreams, which you have to turn into reality this year, and you have to give 100% to turn this into reality. So, let's be simple. Now, basically, I'm dividing my vision board into 5 parts, like 5 criteria. First is health, personal growth, then career slash any like career options, then my hobbies, fifth is travel. So basically, I divided it to 5 parts. Now, when you talk about personal growth, now personal growth can be anything as per your confidence. If you have to start something new, then your hobbies, you have to start new habit, and mix of everything. Next is career slash studies. Now, as a student, many people have goal to achieve something. Like if you are doing, like if you are in class 10, so there is a specific percentage which you have to score. I'm in 12th, so I have my percentage, like the specific goal. If you are in a job, so what kind of job do you want? If you have to grow more in life, so which can come in your career slash studies category. Next come travel. So in travel, if you have to travel this year to your dream destination, if it is far, it is near, it's as per you, then you have to do something adventure, like something new adventure you have to try in your life and be adventurous so that you can go. Then we have our hobbies, like I love cooking, so my goal for 2026 is to do cooking as much as I can in my free time. So it depends upon you. You can do crafting, you can do painting, as per you, it depends. Now let's talk about the main thing, health. So health is all about if you have to start eating healthy, do exercise, like be the disciplined person, be consistent in life, and that's all. So I have pasted some of these pictures on my vision board, and this is how my vision board has turned into. Make vision boards, it really does help a lot. It's my first time and I'm going to experience this also for the very first time, but I think vision boards are such a real concept and we should do it whether you're a content creator or not. Even Canva has some of the fun templates like to upload. You have to just take your photos. You can take inspiration from Pinterest. Don't be like aesthetic person. If you love, you can take from Pinterest. It's really very helpful. And if you have to be very simple, you can even paste it on a cardboard or a canvas and stick in your room or near your room, your study desk, or even like me, you can put it on a wallpaper like I have put, which really will remind me daily of what I have to do in 2026. So stay tuned. Bye.